Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're diving into RocketSpark, a website builder located at www.rocketspark.com. RocketSpark offers a comprehensive platform for creating and managing websites, providing a range of tools and features designed to streamline the process, especially for those who may not have extensive coding or web design experience. Their drag-and-drop interface simplifies website building, making it accessible to users of all skill levels. You can easily add and rearrange elements, customize layouts, and incorporate various content modules without needing to write any code. This user-friendly approach empowers individuals and businesses to establish an online presence quickly and efficiently. Beyond the intuitive design tools, RocketSpark also offers integrated features like blogging capabilities, e-commerce functionality, and SEO tools to help optimize your site for search engines. This all-in-one approach allows you to manage different aspects of your online presence from a single dashboard, simplifying website administration. Furthermore, RocketSpark provides a selection of professionally designed templates that serve as a solid foundation for your website. These templates can be customized to match your brand and style, ensuring your website reflects your unique identity. This saves valuable time and effort, allowing you to focus on content creation and other essential aspects of your business. RocketSpark's pricing plans offer a variety of options to cater to different needs and budgets, providing flexibility for individuals and businesses of all sizes. Whether you're just starting out or looking for more advanced features, RocketSpark aims to have a plan that fits your requirements. For more in-depth information and to explore their services further, be sure to visit their website at www.rocketspark.com. They offer comprehensive documentation and resources to guide you through the website building process. Don't forget to check the description for helpful links.